What's going on, everyone? It's Jamie here from Shopify Masterclass, and in this video I'll be going over several different successful Shopify blogs that you can use as inspiration for your very own blog. Blogging is a great way to attract customers to your Shopify store, so you can first educate them about your products, about your niche, then you can later sell them on your very own products. This is a great customer acquisition strategy, and it can be way more affordable than using PPC for everything, as you're bringing in free organic traffic. Before I dive into it, I want to mention our sponsor ProfitCalc, the one-click profit calculator available on the Shopify App Store. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for, and you can get detailed profit calculations with tons of extra analytics so you can understand how your Shopify store is truly performing and how much money you're actually making. It can save you tons of hours over the long run. There's a link in the description below to access a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself. I'm also going to show a quick promo video.
Are you a Shopify business owner who spends hours doing your accounting? Have messy spreadsheets kept you from growing your business? Discover ProfitCalc, the affordable and easy to set up Shopify app that crunches your numbers in just one click. It automatically syncs with all your accounts and expenses to calculate your profit, displaying everything in an easy to read dashboard so you understand your business in real time. Start for free on the Shopify App Store today.
Let's dive into our first blog here, and that's going to be for a store called Brilliant Life Shop. They sell different templates here, testimonial templates, list builder template packs here, as well as different productivity classes, and featured prominently on their site is their blog. They're posting very consistently on posts such as how to continue to test and tweak ad leads to 15K profit margins per month, refining your offers to improve your Facebook ads, building an amazing membership experience, featuring quite a few different guests. If we take a look at the right hand side, we can see they are linking to those products previously shown. If we take a look at any of these posts as well, all related to this niche here of successful, brilliant business moms. You can see all the posts here are with women as well, so really pushing on that niche. If we take a look at the founder of this site here, she's a military spouse and adoptive mom. Her and her husband have been married for almost 8 years now. She goes into quite a bit of detail about herself, as well as their team here. So it's all reflective of their mission and their brand. So their blog posts all tie into that. If we plug their blog posts into a tool called Ubersuggest, it's going to give us traffic overview. So we can see they have over 27,000 backlinks, a good domain authority at 40, they get around 500 visitors per month just from their blog here. These are all estimates as well, so it can be hard to say exactly how well they're doing. We can also see some of their top posts here, as well as how many backlinks they're generating, and also how often they've been shared to certain sites such as Facebook, Pinterest, and Reddit. Overall, this is a successful blog here. It has really found a niche and hammered home its points here with some really good guest blog posting. Next, let's take a look at Death Wish Coffee. They're a coffee brand that delivers bold, full-bodied yet smooth and flavorful brew that awakens your taste buds. It has a very unique style of branding here. You can see it looks very different from a regular coffee brand with quite bold packaging. So featured prominently here on their Shopify store is the blogs and recipe section. The blog is going to be split up into several categories. We can see recipes at the top here, talking about recipes that their followers and customers might be interested in. You can see they're posting these quite frequently. You can see the ultimate fall drinks, how to make the best dirty chai latte with only 3 ingredients. They also move into coffee specific posts, whole beans versus ground beans, how to grind coffee beans for different brewers, talking about their new products such as the espresso roast here. We can also see different benefits here of being a subscriber, so the benefits of being a coffee subscriber, Death Wish Coffee, and the Super Bowl tattoo series, so different products they're releasing. We can see posts on the lifestyle that they're creating around their brand. So much of branding now is not just selling your product, it's selling a lifestyle, so a community you're buying into, and Death Wish Coffee does a great job of that here. So overall, this blog post is churning out tons of content in relation to their niche. They're doing stuff such as educating the customer before they purchase and what the benefits of being a coffee subscriber. So there's a great example post here. It has tons of branding surrounded, subtle images here. We can see a woman sniffing the coffee, and it is featuring their own brand. Quite a few photos surrounding their own brand here. So overall, quite a short post here, but it's going to help serve the purpose of not only educating customers, showing the benefits of being coffee subscriber, but talking about their very own company. For our last blog, let's take a look at the press. You can feel the power of nourishing cleanses, so sustainably packaged cleanses, juices, smoothies, soups, shots, and delivered directly to your door. So you can see they sell different ones here, such as the Daily Lean Green, Beginner Juice Cleanse here. They have quite a few health benefits listed here as well. And if we head over to their blog, they're going to call it the Squeeze Magazine. So their articles are going to be centered around health here. So we can see saunas for detoxing the body and upgrading your health. so digestive healing, how to boost your metabolism naturally. So we can see they're turning quite a few articles out here. So we can see heal your gut, why ditching dairy for oat milk may be the healthiest, good fats designed for weight loss. Just like Death Wish Coffee, they're going to be using their own product imagery here to help associate the two between health and wellness and their brand. We throw them into Ubersuggest here. We can see their blog has really been blowing up, getting around 66,000 visits a month in November, which is significantly larger than where they were last year and in the summer of this year. They have a domain ranking authority of 39, 9,000 backlinks, 66,000 monthly traffic, as well as 11,000 keywords. You can see some of their posts here are quite popular, such as the 10 desserts you can eat while on a diet, cold pressed juice cleanses, and the anti-cellulite diet here. So overall, a great example of a blog here, really shows you how much traffic can be generated as well from blogging. It is a great tool to expand your reach as well as bring in organic traffic. So this is going to conclude the video here. If you enjoyed it, I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Lastly, I want to mention Profit Calc one more time, the one-click profit calculator available on the Shopify App Store. It comes with a 15-day free trial, so you can test drive everything for yourself, and there's a link in the description below. This concludes the video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in our next one.